Welcome to you
हेलो
all. Okay, welcome to you all in this online class.
सर
Today,
रिकॉर्डिंग चालू कर दिए
today I am going to discuss the topic map. I mean map skill. As you know, in your chapter, map skill related questions are given, right? So many of you are very eager to know how the map skill will be completed in proper way, right? Just now you will learn. Okay, this is the question of first lesson. I mean chapter number 9, right? Chapter name is the medieval period, right? This is your exercise question. If you have the book, you can see in your book, especially in exercise map skill, this question is there. Question is, on a political map of the world, identify and locate the countries visited by Marco Polo, right? This is the question. On a political map of the world, identify and locate countries visited by Marco Polo. Have you understood? As we know, Marco Polo had started his journey from Venice, Italy, right? From Italy. Have you understood? This is the place now from where Marco Polo started his journey. Have you understood? You cannot locate this place as a answer of this question because question is to locate and label the countries where Marco Polo visited. Have you understood? So you should learn it. Is it clear? These are the places. First, they visited Turkey, right? After that, Iraq. After that, Iran. After that, Afghanistan and India, because in those days, Pakistan was a part of India, right? China also. So on the map of the world, you will see this type of blank map given in your examination hall. You will have to locate it. To get clear-cut conception in location of these areas or these countries, you must have to do practice at your home. Take the map of the world and see their location. In this regard, the Atlas book also will be very fruitful to you, right? Because it will help you to see the exact location of the countries. Here, as you know, you have not to locate this one, I mean Italy, because from Italy he had come. This one you have to locate, right? So you should not get any kind of confusion. It is why I am erasing it. Now, all these places are there where Marco Polo visited. To make your task very easy. I have written the name of the countries where Marco Polo visited. These are Turkey, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, India, China, etc. This type of question, name of the countries will not be in your question asked in the examination. You have to learn the name of all these countries. The maximum generally 3 marks question comes, and you can locate any 3 countries that is mentioned here. Have you understood? Is any problem in understanding? As you know, this area is what? This area is of European area. Right? This area is of European area. Have you understood? Here is Spain, France, Italy, Germany, Poland, Ukraine. राइट ये देखो बीच में यहाँ से डिवीजन होता है और फिर यहाँ से क्या होता है, एशिया का शुरू हो जाता है. इज इट क्लियर? ये एशिया महादेश का एरिया आ जाता है, इधर से अफ्रीका का. इज इट क्लियर? आप वर्ल्ड मैप देखोगे आपको क्लियर कट हो जाएगा, क्लियर कट अंडरस्टैंडिंग आएगी आप में. नाउ you have to learn the name of the countries where Marco Polo visited. These are the places where Marco Polo visited. Okay. Now next question is from the next chapter. This question is, on an outline map of India, mark the extent of Rashtrakuta, Pala, Pratihara and Rajput kingdoms. Right? Here knowingly I have given the chapter. Right? चैप्टर हमने दे दिया है आपको. तो इसका okay. In this way, this question is from chapter 10, and question is what? Locate the area or extent of Rashtrakuta, Pala, Pratihara, and Rajput kingdoms. So these are the kingdoms. Here, north or southern area of Rajasthan, Rajputas, and from that areas to up to Gujarat area, क्या है? Pratiharas. Right? Pratiharas were there. Here, Rashtrakuta. You see here, Rashtrakuta. And Bihar, Bengal, Orissa area, Bengal, Bihar area, Palas. Clear cut, it is written here. Right? I hope there is no any problem in understanding. If you have, you can tell me through your chat box. Is it okay? Are you understanding me? Are you listening me? Very good. Right? So you should learn and do practice at your home. How will you do the practice? You know, take one blank paper, map, right? And in map, you have to do the practice. Is it clear? These area, right? These area, और थोड़ा सा और इधर चले आओ. ये एरिया क्या है? प्रतिहारा का. और इधर वाला एरिया क्या है? राजपूतों का. ना यहां से ये वाला एरिया इधर, ये वाला से इधर वाला एरिया से. ठीक है? ये कौन सा है? राजपूत. नो डाउट Pratihara had extended his power up to Bihar up to Bihar. But if question comes, you have to follow this one, right? You have to follow this one only, right? So this type of question you should learn, right? This area, Pratiharas and Rajputas. This area, Rashtrakuta, right? And this area, Palas. You can locate it and it will be very easier to make. So how will you do practice? You know, take one or two map paper maths, and by the help of pencils you locate this slide or your book and mark the extent. You must have to know which area is under which state. Minimum you have to learn the name of the state. For example, Pratiharas, Gujarat and some area of Rajasthan. Rajputa, southern Rajasthan. Here, Maharashtra, some area you can write. Here, Gurjar Pratihara means Gujarat and Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar tak bhi hai, but you have to make this type of work. Do that this type of, you have to locate as it is located in your book and the slides, right? And other is Pratihara. As you know, Pratihara were ruling in, I'm sorry, Rashtrakuta. This in the middle you see, this is the Rashtrakutas. This area is of Rashtrakutas. So Rashtrakuta empire was in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. I'm sorry. Yes, it was in Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra area. So you have to locate this one, especially the Maharashtra area, right? And Pratihara, they were limited, right? They were limited in Gujarat and southwestern Rajasthan, right? ये साउथ वेस्ट राजस्थान Pratiharas and Rajputas. I'm sorry because 1 minute before I have told you they have extended their empire, right? Just now I have said you they have extended their empire from this area to this area. I'm sorry because Rashtrakuta has extended this empire. Here they have not. This Rashtrakuta has empired this area. But if you have to locate the place, you have to locate this area for home, Rashtrakuta. And this area is only for home, Palas, right? Palas. Is it clear? Everything is written here. Here it is shown Pala. Here it is shown Pratiharas. Here it is shown Rajputas. Right? So you have to locate this one only. I think it is clear. If you have any problem through your chat box, you can intimate me. I think it is clear to you all. In examination, yes, Pragati. In exam, we can show with lines as given in the book. Yes, absolutely. You have to do it. Because locate and label means to label, I mean to show the extent, right? Actually locate तो किसी एक प्लेस को आप करके कर सकते हो बेटा, राइट? लेकिन क्या है, आपको जब लेबलिंग करना है तो लाइनिंग करनी होगी. Some students use color also, but you are free to do it. ये आपको जो है ये लेवलिंग कहता है इसको, राइट? ये लेवलिंग हो गया, राइट? इस तरह का आप लेवलिंग करोगे। ये लाइन भी आप देख रहे हो ऐसे ऐसे लेवलिंग है। तो इसका हो गया पालास का, यानी बिहार बंगाल ये एरिया जो है ये पाला का है। You have to locate in this way. And if you'll do practice 2 or 3 times, it will be very easier. Any problem? If you have any problem, you can see. Now, first you do the practice. Without practice, you cannot make it. Okay. And if you will do practice, you can entertain yourself also by engaging yourself. Yeah, Parth is very eager to know where the test will be conducted. I will conduct the test. Okay. Now next is this one. Okay. Next slide is about the next chapter, that is called Cholas and Pandyas. Right? Here locate the place of Cholas and Pandyas. You know, here it is clear-cut written, right? It is clear-cut written. You can locate. Now, can you tell me which this area is? Tell me the name of the state where Pandya rule was there. You have already studied. Now, can any one of you tell me through your chat box? Tamil Nadu. Very good. Samarth. Very good answer. Tamil Nadu. Kumar Vaibhav also. Okay. Not Kerala. Tamil Nadu. Okay. So in this way, you have given the answer. Very good. You can locate this place, right? Here in Tamil Nadu, right? This area is Tamil Nadu area. So in this way, here Pandyas used to rule and their capital was Madurai. Now, next in Chola kingdom, where was the Chola kingdom? Tell me the name of the state. Chola kingdom. Which area? Not Kerala is wrong. Karnataka or Tamil Nadu. This area. Andhra Pradesh. Very good. This area. Right? So here you see Cholas. Andhra Pradesh area. Right? So Chola was ruling here. So in this way you will locate this place. Have you understood? Cholas and Cheras. ये है एरिया, ठीक? तो इस एरिया का आप देखेंगे. Have you understood? This area. Have you understood? In this way, Cholas and Pandya Empire was in where? South India, in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Okay. You will do the practice in your map. Now, third one is this one. This is from chapter 12. On the outline map of Asia, mark the following places. Chapter number 12 का है ये. Places. ये chapter 12 का है. Okay. So I have written the name of your chapter number also. So you do the practice. Now you have to locate this place. Question is what? There are two questions in this exercise for map work. One is places from where the Turkish invaders had come. This question is from Turkish invasion chapter, and you know they had come from Turkish, Turkey and Ghazni, and you know Ghazni or Ghor. These are Ghazni and Ghors are in were in Afghanistan, right? Mahmud Ghaznavi, Muhammad Ghori, all of them came from where? These places, Ghazni and Ghor, and these are in Afghanistan, right? Iraq, Turkey is here. So now you can locate from here. First one, Iraq, right? Iran you can also, and after that, this area, right? Because in those areas, these were in India, right? And this one is also. So these are the places. I'm sorry, ये place नहीं, यहाँ तो attack करने के लिए आया था. I'm sorry. They came from that area only, right? They had come from this area. Is it clear? They came from this area, and in this way, they were the invaders. This area was captured, India, and they came from where? Afghanistan, Iraq, Iran. So you can locate this one also. Okay, any problem? मैप आपके पास होना चाहिए और मैप में आपको ये जानकारी होना चाहिए कि कौन सा एरिया कहाँ है. ठीक है? You should learn the name of the different continents, right? अब ये एरिया देखो, ठीक है? ये एरिया जो है आपका, ये एरिया, ये कौन है? अफ्रीका है. आपके ज्योग्राफी बुक में भी दिया हुआ है चैप्टर में. उसके बाद ये एरिया जो है आपका, ये सब एरिया जो है आपका, आई एम सॉरी, अब ये एरिया जो है, एज यू नो, ठीक है, this one area, and you know this is from this area, this area, Europe. This area is European area, right? And this one is Asia. This area is Asia, right? And you can locate, this is the Europe. We have not to take from this area anything. Here, Asian area, Turkey, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Thailand, Burma, Indonesia, ये सब, Burma, China, Mongolia, right? So these areas are in Asian country, Asia. So in this way, you will locate this one. Next is, second question is what? Here, B, the same chapter, places which the Turkish invaders had conquered in India. तो महमूद गजनवी का आपने अटैक देखा, वहां लिखा हुआ है, आपने क्वेश्चन भी पढ़ा है. He destroyed and conquered the area, captured the area, Mathura, Nagarkot, Kannauj, Thanishar. You know, Nagarkot is in Nepal. So So this area, Nagarkot, is in where? Nepal, right? Mathura here by arrow I have indicated here in UP. Kannauj is here. This is Kannauj area in UP, and Thanesar in Haryana. So these area you can locate. One thing you must learn, you will not have only to, you do not have to locate whole state. The area should be located, but you must learn the location of the state, right? You must the area of location. सिंध, पंजाब, कन्नौज, थानेसर, ये सारा एरिया है, तो आप इसको वहां से लिखेंगे, ठीक है? गुजरात also, here also Somnath temple. So you can locate if the name of such areas will be given, or if it is given in this way only, locate the places. You are free to locate the places which was attacked by Mahmud Ghaznavi. Although Delhi can also be shown because Muhammad Ghori invaded there and had to fight war against Prithviraj Chauhan. So this area you can locate. Now next is what? An outline map of India. Locate and label the followings. Of Delhi, here it is Delhi. Also here name is written, and you will get the blank map, right? You will get the blank map, outline map. वो लाइनिंग रहेगा स्टेट का, लेकिन आपको ये याद रखना है कि कौन सी लाइनिंग किस स्टेट का है, और ये बहुत इजी है. कैसे? जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तब. टेक द blank outline map of India, and first of all, without seeing any atlas or book, you write the short name of the state, right? Write all the names without seeing the book. And suppose if you forget what this area is there, right? Suppose ये area, मान लो नया स्टेट है तेलंगाना, आपको याद नहीं है, ठीक है? तो ये अगर आपको याद नहीं है तो इसको छोड़ देना है आपको. इसको रखने के लिए, आई मीन टू लोकेट दिस स्टेट, डू नॉट गो टू स्टडी द बुक or to see the page given in the book. First, whatever is in your memory and in your mind, you have to write. And after that, you go to book, I mean to see the book, right? And you verify your answer. Be the student and teacher of yourself, right? And if you will do, you will find that very soon you have overcome your drawbacks. Very soon you will see your understanding regarding math skill is very clear. But my dear, you know, practice is very important. And you know, practice makes a man perfect. कोई भी काम में अगर आपको imperfection है, तो आप practice करो, वो तुमको perfect बनाएगा. So in this way, you see Delhi is here, Panipat in Haryana, Jaunpur in UP, Uttar Pradesh, Hisar in Haryana, and Devgiri in Maharashtra, right? Devgiri in Maharashtra. I hope all these questions you have prepared. And last one is Empire of Alauddin Khilji. दिल्ली सल्तनत का ये चैप्टर है, बुक में भी ये मैप है आपका. तो ये एरिया जो है, राइट, ये एरिया वाला अलाउद्दीन का है एम्पायर, ये वाला नहीं है. आई मीन जो येलो, प्योर येलो है, दिस इज नॉट अंडर द एम्पायर, राइट. ये साउथ में मदुरई से एरिया, तमिलनाडु का जो एरिया है, इसका नहीं. इधर बर्मा, आसाम, आई एम सॉरी, आसाम, म्यांमार, ये सब एरिया जो है नहीं, इधर जम्मू कश्मीर कुछ एरिया इसका भी नहीं, और यहाँ से जो है आपका अफगानिस्तान के नीचे से एरिया लेकर के यहाँ तक का जो है वो किसका है, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी का है. I hope you have understood well. If you have any problem, you can tell me, right? I am going to unmute you all, and if you have any problem, you can ask me, right? You can ask your query